Hi everyone, it's Destiny here at Byrider in Green Bay. So today I wanted to show you guys this nice 2012 Ford Fusion. It is a very roomy car, full-size car. So if you're looking for a car just to get you around, it works perfect for a family. So if you're looking to have a little bit of room in the back seat, it works perfect. It comes with a Bluetooth radio where you can connect your phone to it and be hands-free. So this is the second vehicle I'm going to show you guys today, a 2013 Chevy Traverse. Third row seating, so if you have a larger family and want to maybe take it out of town, go on a vacation, you have enough room to fit your children in. It does come with a DVD player along with it, so you want to entertain your little kids while driving down the road, take them to school, or even taking them out of town for the weekend. You can certainly have them watch some movies on the inside. Bluetooth radio, comes with a backup camera too. It is a very nice SUV. This vehicle would be perfect for your family if you're looking for something a little bit bigger to fit enough of your family members in, just in case you want to go out of town and take it on a road trip. So if you guys want to come down to 2805 Ramada Way here in Green Bay, or you can give us a call at 920-455-7788. We can see what we can do about getting you guys approved in driving away in one of our vehicles with a service contract of 4 year, 48,000 miles. Give us a call or stop into Byrider Green Bay.